It's a honeymoon. I just took my hair out of braids, or not braids, twists. So that's why it's looking like this right now. It's actually, I'm not really mad at the way that it looks. It's been in for like 2 weeks or so. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna wash my hair today. And I'm also gonna be going on a hike later. And then for meals, I'm thinking gonna do like a vegan pho. And then for dinner, I want to do a salmon bowl. So salmon, rice, some veggies, maybe some grilled peppers, things like that. But first, I'm gonna have breakfast. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm eating. This is just a mixture of different fruits. I have a tiny bit of jelly over here actually, but some strawberries, cherries, blueberries at the bottom, and then these other strawberries. I don't know if you can kind of tell, but they're very light in color. They're actually these rosé berries. We got them from Whole Foods and they are literally so good. And then we also have just the regular organic strawberries. These are also from Whole Foods. We got some cherries from Costco and then just some blueberries. So I like to cut everything up, pit the cherries, and just put everything in a bowl with a little bit of honey. And this is the coconut yogurt that I really love. It's unsweetened vanilla, doesn't have much many grams of sugar in it, and it has a really good flavor too. So that's what we're doing for breakfast. And then the star of the show. So this is the completed breakfast. I did add a little bit of English muffin. And I'm just using this one. It's the organic 10 season greens from Oro wheat. It's so good, it's so fresh. And it's a little sweet, so it's like really nice in the mornings. If you have a Whole Foods close to you, you really should pick these up. They're so good, they're so sweet, and just like, I don't know, the perfect strawberry, you know what I mean? And like mixed in with all these fruits, like you can actually still taste it. It's so good. About to go on a quick little run, and I wanted to show you guys my little Nike yoga outfit. I love it so much. So the top is just kind of like a light pink sports bra, but I really like the back of it. I feel like it's so pretty. And then just normal pants. I actually want to get the matching sports bra for these pants, but they didn't have it. We went to Dick's to pick these up and I didn't see it there. So I think they have it on ASOS. I might order it. But anyway, yeah, we're about to go. I just put on some sunscreen. Right now I'm using the Ultimate Sun Protector Lotion, and I really like the formula of this. It's very like glowing on the skin. I put that all over the face and body too, and it's done a really good job. I feel like my skin is super protected. To be totally honest, I have not been the best about wearing sun protection, and the proof of that is my hands. I'm so sad because I got some bug bites on my hands and I wasn't wearing any sunscreen, and they turned into like really bad scarring. And then you can also see on my other hand that I have a bunch of sunspots because I wasn't wearing any sunscreen on my hands. And that's a place that you actually really want to make sure that you're getting to. I put sunscreen everywhere else when I was traveling except my hands, and I feel like that's where it got me the worst. So yeah, I'm being very like precautious about that now, especially with California sun. It's just so intense. Like you can literally tan within like 15 minutes. So anyways, we're about to head out for our hike now, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. Just dying, but it's so pretty. I made it to the top. I'm dying. I definitely didn't eat enough today or drink enough water, so.
It's our honeymoon, honeymoon. You said your vows to me. Now it's like day one with you. Feels like we've done this 1,000 times. Yeah, make that a million. Make that a trillion. This honeymoon, it don't got to stop. This honeymoon, it don't gotta stop. It don't gotta stop. What's left to me, like a vasectomy. But to myself, I'ma stay true, like a real man should do. I don't need a mention to swoop. She know I'm the man with the moves. Pick off her feet, take her straight to the bed. This an anthem if you ain't new. For the ones that's trying to break through, for the reason I still see color. I know everything could be blue, I know everything could be blue. I just need to lose you.
I wanted to have something like super refreshing, so I'm gonna make like a mint lemon water, and I'm just gonna squeeze like maybe, I don't know, half of a lemon in here and like put some mint in with the ice and mix everything up so it gets nice and marinated, and just something for, you know, after working out. This is so good. Wow.
Talking to the reaper on my own time, looking for the meaning that's between the lines. I'm a lost boy, I'm a mortal boy, born to make noises and bad choices. Talking to the reaper on my own time, looking for the meaning that's between the lines. I'm a lost boy, I'm a mortal boy, born to make noise and some bad choices. Counting all these minutes, leave you restless. Ain't no linens, ain't no resting, but we need it, cause we swear we're never leaving. Tryna flow like Tempur-Pedic, tryna go like every season, blow like for no reason. Hold on cause it's fleeting, ain't no beans with ecstasy, is all I'm chasing, what's the reason? Wanna make it count, but I won't count the breaths I'm breathing. That's the reason that I'm restless and I barely feel it beating. Yeah. Hold up while I beat it, girl, you put me in a zone outside the normal, what I'm used to. Splitting up dimensions, falling for your spell like voodoo. I got here in 0422, still ain't figured shit out, dog. I'm feeling like a new, so I'm talking to the reaper on my own time, looking for the meaning that's between the lines. I'm a lost boy, I'm a mortal boy, born to make noises and bad choices. Talking to the reaper on my own time, looking for the meaning that's between the lines. I'm a lost boy, I'm a mortal boy, born to make noise and some bad choices.